It's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m., 1800 hours on Thursday, 2nd of April 2020, and it's time for my second fruit salad for the day. I decided to go mellow yellow today, and because I like the combination of the orange with the banana and the honeydew, I put just that as well as some pineapple. So I've got a four fruit salad here. It's a very yellow four fruit salad. I have again one Cavendish banana, one Valencia orange, a slice of honeydew melon, and a slice of pineapple, Josephine pineapple. So I'll tell you what it tastes like in a minute. Oh, I forgot to mention, as usual, I've got the juice of one lime, some Chaat Masala sprinkled on top, as well as sunflower kernels and chia seed and flax seeds. Right, that was lovely. As expected, the what do you call it? The banana, the orange, and the honeydew went very well with the chaat masala, and pineapple provided some contrast in sourness together with the lime. However, it lacked something, and basically they're all the same color. They're all yellow. To get a variety of nutrients, you should have a salad which has a variety of color. So that's why I add normally black grapes, red pitaya or papaya, to give a variety of phytonutrients, because the antioxidants are also pigments and they provide color. So the variety of colors, and the more colors and the more variety of colors you have, the more variety of phytochemicals that you'd have. Having said that, I have yellow watermelon in the fridge and yellow mango here, which I have yet to cut up, waiting it for it to ripen fully. So I may have another yellow salad with mango and a yellow watermelon in it as well. But it's something that's you should just do for fun once in a while, but not on a regular basis, okay? It's really not advisable to have a fruit salad with the fruits all the same color, because you're just limiting the variety of nutrients that your body will be taking in. So that's it for today. Just on 6:10 or so on April 2nd, 2020. See you tomorrow.